I'm Chase Evans. Today, I'll be talking about ladders, ladder safety, and also providing some statistics about ladders and supplying the do's and don'ts for the proper use of ladders. The first statistic I would like to share is that every day, 2,000 people in the United States alone are injured on a ladder. To me, this number isn't crazy and can be very preventable if the proper precautions are taken. The next statistic I would like to take a look at is a glance at 4 stats that highlight the cost of ladders on the body. Firstly, more than 80% of all fall injuries by construction workers that result in a visit to the emergency room involved a ladder. Falls to a lower level that caused serious injuries resulted in $2.5 billion in workers' compensation. This is a direct cost in the United States construction industry. Ladders and scaffolding use increases the loads on arms, shoulders, and knees. Though a ladder may cost only $200 to $300, the average construction injury costs $27,000. Now that I mentioned some statistics about ladders, let's get into the do's and don'ts of how to use a ladder. Always maintain 3 points of contact, that being 2 feet in one hand or 2 hands and 1 foot. Always place the ladder on a level ground, solid and unmovable surface. Always face the ladder when you're ascending or descending. Always fully open the ladder and lock the supports in place. When walking up a ladder, always stay in the center of it. Brace yourself with your free hand if possible. Carry your tools in a tool belt or pouch, not in your hands. Always inspect your ladder before every use. As we continue to discuss the do's and don'ts of ladder safety, let's add 2 more do's to the list that I did not show a physical demonstration. Always use a ladder with non-slip feet. Always use the right height ladder for the job. Now let's discuss the ladder safety don'ts. I did not do a physical demonstration for the don'ts because I don't want to risk injuring myself. Don't number 1, don't overreach so you lose the balance and fall. This could possibly cause severe injury. Don't number 2, don't ever use the top 2 steps of the ladder as it can collapse under you and lead to a crippling injury. Don't number 3, don't move or shift the step ladder while someone is on it. Number 4, don't place the ladder on uneven ground, movable objects, or a soft surface. Number 5, don't carry a heavy object or load that can cause you to lose your balance. Number 6, don't fold up and lean the step ladder against a wall or surface. All these don'ts can lead to you hurting yourself and or others. Before closing my presentation, I would like to add some quick details about ladders and overhead electrical hazards. I will go into more detail in my future final presentation video. Before using a ladder near electrical hazards, conduct a thorough risk assessment of the work area. Identify all potential electrical hazards, including overhead power lines and exposed wires and electrical equipment. Use non-conductive ladders when working near electrical hazards. Always use ladders made of non-conductive materials, such as fiberglass or wood. Non-conductive ladders help prevent electrical shock by minimizing the risk of conducting electricity. Within this video, I hope you learned some statistics and the proper do's and don'ts of ladder safety. There's also furthermore information that I can't be providing, but I will provide that in a future presentation. I hope today's presentation has taught you something well, and I hope you know the proper do's and don'ts of ladders. Keep yourself safe out there.